Hello friends, welcome to Mano Cooks and I'm Mano. In this video, let's learn 5 very different fresh sweet corn recipes which are yummy and a great snack as we get in most of the malls. Let's get started. For all these variety of corn, together I'm taking 2.5 cup corn kernels and each variety would be half cup cooked corn. Now I'm using frozen sweet corn kernels here. Take them out, wash and they are ready to be cooked. Take a pan, add 3 cups of water and heat it on medium flame. When you see it start to boil, add the sweet corn to it and allow it to boil for 3 minutes. Take one and check if they are tender and cooked. After that, take a colander and drain the water from the corn. Boiled corn is all ready. Alternatively, you can microwave the frozen corn in a cup for 2 minutes until tender. So the first one is tandoori mayo corn. Important point here, the masala amount suits exactly half cup of cooked corn. For this, let's take butter, black salt, chili flakes, chili powder, tandoori masala powder, chaat masala powder, Italian seasoning, mayonnaise and cheese. Take half cup of steaming hot corn in a bowl and add all the masalas and half of the cheese and mix well. Top it with rest of the cheese and serve this yummy and creamy tandoori mayo corn. Our second flavor is green mint corn. Important point here, the masala amount suits exactly half cup of cooked corn. For this, let's take butter and make green chutney. Refer ingredient list for green chutney. Add 1 tablespoon water and grind it to a paste in a mixie jar. Take half cup of steaming hot corn in a bowl and add butter. Add 1 tablespoon of green chutney and mix everything well. Please note, always add butter in room temperature. Our corn is steaming hot and butter will melt and it would be creamy. That's how we want it. Top it with chili flakes and serve hot. If you like tangy flavor, you can add some lemon juice as well. Our next flavor is butter sweet corn. Important point here, the masala amount suits exactly half cup of cooked corn. For this, let's take half cup of steaming hot corn, add butter, pepper powder, salt and mix everything well until butter melts and becomes creamy. Fill it up in a cup as shown in the video and serve it hot. Always remember to add butter cubes in room temperature. Our fourth flavor is spicy masala corn. Important point here, the masala amount suits exactly half cup of cooked corn. For this, let's take half cup of steaming hot corn, add red chili powder, chaat masala, butter, salt, mix everything until creamy and add a dash of lemon juice and serve it hot. Fifth and last flavor today is corn chaat. Important point here, the masala amount suits exactly half cup of cooked corn. Let's take half cup of boiled corn and add onion, bell pepper, tomato, cucumber and add all the masala powders. Give everything a nice mix. And now add dash of lemon juice. Finally add chopped coriander. Mix once more and our colorful and chatpata corn chaat is now ready to serve. If you are new to Mano Cooks, please subscribe to my channel and please click on the bell icon so I can meet you in my next videos. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and comment me down below as which flavor is your favorite. And do share this video with your friends and family. This is an instant and super healthy recipe and almost everyone would be in love with. Many a times when we go to malls, we would find these sweet corn shops that sells different flavored corns. So this video is quite inspired by that and recreated. Try out these flavors and let me know in the comment section how much you loved them. See you all in my next video. Thanks for watching.